Hi, welcome, and thank you for having clicked this video. By this tutorial, you will learn the examples of pronunciation with some common English verbs. Here you are. One. Pronounced like T. After English verbs ending with K sound. 1. Asked. 2. Checked. 3. Kicked. 4. Liked. 5. Looked. 6. Talked. 7. Thanked. 8. Walked. 9. Worked.
Asked, checked, kicked, liked, looked, talked, thanked, walked, worked. Asked, checked, kicked, liked, looked, talked, thanked, walked, worked.
After English verbs ending with an S sound. 1. Confessed. 2. Crossed. 3. Dressed. 4. Embarrassed. 5. Guessed. 6. Impressed. 7. Increased. 8. Missed. 9. Passed. 10. Promised.
Confessed, crossed, dressed, embarrassed, guessed, impressed, increased, missed, passed, promised, confessed, crossed, dressed, embarrassed, guessed, impressed, increased, missed, passed, promised.
11. Announced. 12. Danced. 13. Forced. 14. Influenced. 15. Introduced. 16. Noticed. 17. Reduced.
Announced, danced, forced, influenced, introduced, noticed, reduced. Announced, danced, forced, influenced, introduced, noticed, reduced.
After English verbs ending with an shush or sound. 1. Rushed. 2. Crashed. 3. Punished. 4. Pushed. 5. Rushed.
Brushed, crashed, punished, pushed, rushed, brushed, crashed, punished, pushed, rushed.
After English verbs ending with ch sound. 1. Matched. 2. Punched. 3. Reached. 4. Searched.
Matched, punched, reached, searched, matched, punched, reached, searched.
After English verbs ending with an F and X sound. 1. Laughed. 2. Fixed. 3. Relaxed.
Laughed, fixed, relaxed, laughed, fixed, relaxed.
Two. Ed, pronounced like id, after English verbs ending with T sound. 1. Accepted. 2. Appreciated. 3. Cheated. 4. Connected. 5. Excited. 6. Interrupted. 7. Invented. 8. Rejected. 9. Started. 10. Waited.
Accepted, appreciated, cheated, connected, excited, interrupted, invented, rejected, started, waited, accepted, appreciated, cheated, connected, excited, interrupted, invented, rejected, started, waited.
After English verbs ending with D sound. 1. Avoided. 2. Decided. 3. Ended. 4. Expanded. 5. Guarded. 6. Included. 7. Needed. 8. Pretended. 9. Reminded. 10. Succeeded.
Avoided, decided, ended, expanded, guarded, included, needed, pretended, reminded, succeeded, avoided, decided, ended, expanded, guarded, included, needed, pretended, reminded, succeeded.
Three. Ed, pronounced like D, after English verbs ending with R sound. 1. Appeared. 2. Compared. 3. Considered. 4. Entered. 5. Remembered.
Appeared, compared, considered, entered, remembered, appeared, compared, considered, entered, remembered.
After English verbs ending with V sound. 1. Arrived. 2. Received. 3. Observed. 4. Improved. 5. Saved.
Arrived, received, observed, improved, saved, arrived, received, observed, improved, saved.
After English verbs ending with Z sound. 1. Advised. 2. Buzzed. 3. Paused. 4. Raised. 5. Sneezed.
Advised, buzzed, paused, raised, sneezed. Advised, buzzed, paused, raised, sneezed.
After English verbs ending with L, M, and N sound. 1. Killed. 2. Pulled. 3. Traveled. 4. Claimed. 5. Jammed. 6. Burned. 7. Examined. 8. Explained. 9. Turned. 10. Warned.
Killed, pulled, traveled, claimed, jammed, burned, examined, explained, turned, warned, killed, pulled, traveled, claimed, jammed, burned, examined, explained, turned, warned.
After English verbs ending with vowel sound. 1. Borrowed. 2. Annoyed. 3. Cried. 4. Glued. 5. Carried. 6. Weighed.
Borrowed, annoyed, cried, glued, carried, weighed. Borrowed, annoyed, cried, glued, carried, weighed.
After English verbs ending with B, G, and J sound. 1. Robbed. 2. Scrubbed. 3. Belonged. 4. Hugged. 5. Arranged. 6. Encouraged. 7. Challenged. 8. Judged. 9. Managed.
Robbed, scrubbed, belonged, hugged, arranged, encouraged, challenged, judged, managed, robbed, scrubbed, belonged, hugged, arranged, encouraged, challenged, judged, managed.
Thank you for watching till the end of this video. I hope this tutorial is useful. See you next time.